Hi, my name's Kelly. I'm here today to show you a brief tutorial about how to place text onto a page in Photoshop and also how to import or place a photo on your page, and then lastly how to combine the two of them and create a quotation picture, an inspirational picture with a quote and a photo together. So I have here a blank page, and the first thing that we're going to do is place text. So over here we have a text tool. I'm going to click that and click on just somewhere here on the page. You can either type or you can copy and paste your text. So I have a quote already here that I want to use. So it's already highlighted. I'm just going to copy and I'll get rid of these letters and I'll paste. Then I click up here on this check mark anytime I'm making changes to accept those changes, such as the paste. So you can see the text is kind of running off the page. We can adjust the placement of that in a few different ways. First thing would be to go to our Move tool, which this little cross sign represents, and click and drag. And then in order to make some more changes to the text, I can double click on my text layer, which is right here. You can see that it highlights the text to make your changes. So I'm going to just play with the spacing a little bit and add in some line breaks. And you can see that it helps us get all of that text on the page. And you can create your line breaks anywhere in the text, of course. And it shows the entire quotation at that point and just happens to be right hand justified, which is fine. So we'll click and accept those changes. So that's how you get text onto your page. Secondly, I'll show you about how to import or place a photo. So you go to File, Place Linked, and then select the picture that you want from your computer. I'm going to use this parachute photo here. Now the lines on the image when it's first showing up here and pull handles allow you to change the size. So we'll go ahead and make this photo the same size as our total page. And then I can click up here to accept those changes. So we have our photo, but what happened to our text? So to combine the two, there's a few different ways you can do it. The easiest thing in our layers panel is to take and drag, just click and then drag the text layer up on top of that photo, and then it shows on top. So that's why these are called layers, because they do layer top to bottom. So we obviously need to change the placement of our text. We still have our Move tool because you can see my cross icon here with my cursor. So I can pull this up and get it away from the parachute a little bit. The white probably doesn't necessarily make the best color because of our clouds. So we can go over here to our color picker and maybe let's try kind of a dark red and hit OK. And you can see that it didn't change, and the reason why is because I forgot to double click and highlight my text. So I go back to the color picker, hit OK, and now you can see that it's changed. It also gives you a color here, and then I'll check mark to accept those changes. So all of those steps put together, you can import or type in your text, you can import or place your picture, and then you can combine the two and you have a beautiful inspirational image. Thanks for watching.